Kate here with WTI. If you're looking for a high quality treat that your pup will go nuts over, check out these BIXBI Liberty Trainers. This is the salmon flavor. When I tell you that my puppy absolutely loves these, he will do anything for them. Our dog is 2 months old and we've been able to teach him quite a few tricks already using these treats. Shake. Good job. I'll shake again. Good boy, you're so smart. I like that they're only 4 calories each. We cut them in half so it goes even further. We use these to reinforce potty training, to teach basic commands, even to have him come to us when we call. We're trying to teach him his name and how to return. So all of those things are really great to have something that your dog actually really loves. They have a nice, soft, chewy texture. They break apart very easily if you want to break them in 2 or even a few more pieces. You can see a few of the things they leave out when they make these. It comes in a resealable bag so that will retain the freshness. It comes with a whole bunch of them so you can get a lot of training sessions in. I think you'll really like them and so will your dog, and that's my point of view.